Hello dear friends, welcome to the butt lifting yoga practice. It's literally will help you to lift up your glutes and elongate the legs. So I'm very precise about this because I love to have a long leg shape, and trust me, my legs was way thicker before. So I will show you what I do to make my legs look nice, long, and also toned. I'm going to start in the sitting position in a chair pose. So squat down. Squeeze your thighs together and just go all the way down until your leg's going to reach a 90-degree angle. So another thing, your knees supposed to be right on top of your toes. So squat down, squeeze and hold, and then lift your arms up. So we're going to create that stretching sensation in the upper body. Upper body goes up and lower body goes down. And we're going to start create pulses for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then drop your arms down, lift up your heels. If you're by the wall, you can always secure yourself using the wall. So you're going forward with your torso, lifting up heels, and keep squeezing your legs. On the exhale, lower down. Beautiful. So just stretch up here, stretch, stretch, stretch. Then if you have a chair, I'm going to use a window here. So all you need to do is just to have a security to place your hands right here. Then squat, slightly bend your knees and lift up your left heel. We're going to start with the left leg, shoulders down, flat back, and then extend your left leg back. So immediately you're going to feel a lot of weight on your right side, like you're going to feel the burning sensation. So elongate your spine and lift up your left leg and then bring it back down. Your right leg is going to burn a lot. Lift until you feel the burning sensation in your left glute. And down, we're going to go for 5, 3, 4, and 5. Drop it down, straight your other leg, and just stretch. So here, keep your back flat, hips up. I call it happy glutes. So your bone is directed up to the ceiling. And here, just stretch it up. Squat back, and we're gonna do another set, which is a little different. So lift up your leg right here, squat low, then bring it in and push it back up. And 2, back is flat, shoulders down. 3, 4, and last one, 5. Straight your standing leg. So it's the same if you would do warrior 3. And here we're gonna bend both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, last one. You will feel it, trust me, and release down. So the thing is that I love the short activations, short workouts, because they're very powerful. They activate in your muscles. You can do it once a day. It's easy to insert in your life, and it's really effective. So we're going to do the other side. Squat deep, elongate your back, and slide your right leg back. So now you're gonna see my muscles here, how they activate it. You're gonna go for 5, 1, 2, and you're literally isolating your leg work here. 3, last 2, 1 more, beautiful, and release. So also you can just slide down, relax everything, and roll up. We're going to go again, squat, 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 beautiful, and lift up your leg, and bending and pushing back. 1, 2. Stay solid on the left leg here. Last one. And now you're going to straighten your standing leg. You're going to find that support here, and then you bend for 5. 1. It's also amazing for your mobility. 3, and strengthening. 4, 5. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go down. Put your arms in front. Just stretch left and right. And slowly roll up. You should feel a lot by now already. So another one is quite simple. You just go down, knees going wide as possible. And then you're squeezing your glutes together like you would hold a penny between your glutes. You're squeezing them up and you just pulsing here. 1, 2, let's go for 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squeeze up here. Squeeze your glutes. Lift them up like you would put the pants on. Lift, 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 lift. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here you're activating your inner thighs. Yeah? When you are lifting up, when you're pushing up, and release. Fantastic. The next one, we're going on the floor. On all fourth position. Put your back in a neutral spine. Take an inhale, and you're going to extend your leg up. Flex your foot, hold it there, just simply hold. Then straighten your leg and bend. You see how your body's popping here? Right away. So go for 3, go for 10 here, 4, and 5. Keep holding in the same level. 6, 7. That will help you to have a really defined glutes. And 9, and last one, 10. Release, switch up, extend, lift, flexing the foot, finding stability here, and we're going for 10, and 9, and 8, 7, 6. Keep your stomach tight. Yes, so the body is supporting it. Last 3. And do not curve your back here. That's the most common mistake. So finish your last one and release. We're going to finish up with the child's pose. And I will tell you a very important part about this pose. So also do not let your lower back popping up when you are here. That is a mistake because it completely eliminates the purpose of this pose. So you're going with a straight back, flat back, your arms are here, and you are focusing on rotating your glutes up. Not sad glutes, happy glutes. Extend your arms forward and keep rotating your hips up, your glutes up. Stomach flat, back is flat. Again, activation of your hip flexors. And stretch forward. Of course, I'm with microphone, but drop your forehead down this way. And just keep elongating and releasing your hips. And then slowly walk your hands back up. And release. So as you see, short, but very effective. And I'm a big advocate for a short but effective practices. Because if you do those a couple times a day, 3 times a day, overall you will see how more toned, more strong, mobile you are. So it is way better sometimes than just do this very long workouts. So you guys, let me know what you think. Let me know how your body feels. It's very important to train our legs because ultimately the strong legs guarantee us longevity and youth. It's another video, but I will tell more about this. My name is Paula Rubies. I'm CEO of New Sutras, and please like and share this video to help me to spread the knowledge around. Let me know how you're feeling and what would you like to see in the next video. Thank you for practicing with me, and I will see you in the next episode.